the background the drone will fly? How drone is flying? Very good. Fan. It is a propeller. Okay. We are using motors and propeller. Okay. We are using motor and propeller, and we are generating the thrust. Okay. With the opposite to the gravitation. Okay. By this, we are lifting the some object or camera, any payload. We are lifting in the air. Okay. This is the basic principle behind the operation of drone. Okay. Actually, if you in agriculture, if you imagine, if you see your farm with the in the top view, okay, you can able to identify the where the disease in the crop. Before they spread, you can able to specifically select the area of diseased area, and you can able to spray the pesticide. Okay, it is a selective process. This can be only done by the drone. Okay, with the help of drones. These are the agenda of the workshop. First, we are going to see about the basic agricultural mechanism and roles of drone in modern farming, and applications and benefits, and challenges and solutions facing in the agriculture field based on drone, and future trends, and live demo and question answer will be in the happens. Okay. What is mechanization? We are using the mechanization to transform the practice of farming to get a increase the productive and sustainable. Okay. So only we are going for mechanization in the agriculture field. In this, the evolution is from manual labor, mechanized tools, automation, and smart farming. Okay. Now we doesn't need to enter into the field in future. Okay. By using the AA integrating with AA and drone, we can able to monitor the crops, and based on that we can able to give the pesticides and harvest the crop also by using the drone. Okay. These are the benefits. Some of the benefits: accurate crop monitoring, efficient input usage, timely decision making. Okay. We are already mechanized the agriculture. Okay. Now already mechanized the agriculture, but that needs precision and accuracy. That can be done only by the drone. Okay. Okay. Before going to the field of agriculture, we must know about what are the basic rules of drone, and how we are operating. What are the limitations of drone? Okay. Based on that only we are going to apply the application in the drone. Apply the drone application in the agriculture field. Okay. Initially, these are the classification of drone based on the DGC. Okay. DGC is a central platform which is monitoring the overall drones UAV in the field in India. Okay. Based on the drone rule 2021, the categories of drone: nano, micro, small, medium, and large. This category is based on the maximum of weight, including the payload. Okay. Actually, the nano drone less than 250 grams comes under the nano, and 2 kg is under the micro. Small means between 2 to 25, medium means 25 to 150, and more than 150 is called as a large scale drone. Okay, these are the classification of drone. Do you know the pilot license certificate? Heard about the pilot license certificate? Does agri drone, to fly agri drone, we need a pilot license or not? Yes or no? The agri drone will comes under which category? Medium or small? medium category. Okay, in medium category only it comes under medium category because we are using a 10 liter or a 22 liter drone. Okay, capacity of drone. Okay. These are the basic classification of drone. Okay, we doesn't need pilot license or UAE number. Okay, unique identification number. Every drone must be registered under BIT-IIC. Okay, then only we can able to fly in the commercial area. Okay, for personal use we can use without UAE number, but it must be under less than 250 gram, and also from the collectorate. Okay, and then only we can able to fly in the red zone. Okay, these are the basic drone rules. In the platform, BIT-IIC is a platform. We must want to register where we are going to fly. Okay, before that, in that we have to apply for permission. Okay. These are some of the application of drone in each sector: agriculture, wildlife, forest and wildlife, urban development, traffic management, homeland security, disaster management, mining. Disaster management. These are some of the applications of drone in the each sector. This is the transition of agriculture. Okay. From agriculture 1.0 to 4.0. In 1.0, we are using the simple tools and manpower for doing agriculture. In 2.0, we are using a chemical pesticides and agriculture machineries are evolved in the 19th century by upgradation of steam engines and all. Okay. And by inventing the computer and robotics in 20th century, we are using a robotic computer program. Okay, autonomous vehicle and all. Okay, in 20th century. And after that only IoT and cloud computing and by using the artificial intelligence, we have stepped into the smart farming now. Okay, that we apply to the drone farming. Okay. These are the leading application of UAV unmanned aerial vehicles in the field of agriculture. 19% livestock health monitoring and 90% of field mapping and crop monitoring, climate monitoring, spraying, soil analysis, crop harvesting. These are the graph of past 5 years of using the UAV in the agriculture field. And now we are going to see about the types of drone we are using in agriculture. Okay. Initially we classified the drone based on the weight. Okay. Nano, small, micro, and medium and large. Okay. Now the types of drone. These are the different types of drone. First one is a fixed wing. Okay. Fixed wing means there is no what? Can anyone explain this? Fixed wing multi-rotor by using this image. Where you see the fixed wing? In aeroplane we are using fixed wing. Okay, like that. Multi-rotor is a agri drone and single rotor is a we are using in a helicopter. Helicopter we are using a single rotor, and hybrid drone means we are using a battery and fuel. Okay, these are the different types of drone. Fixed wing is a long endurance drone. Okay. The major drawback in the drone is a battery, okay, and the weight carrying capacity and the technical terms. Okay, we need the trained pilots. Then only we can able to do the specific tasks with the help of drone. Okay, these are the three major limitations of drone. Actually, in fixed wing we can able to fly up to 1 hour or 1.5 hours. Okay, because the endurance is high. It doesn't need the use of lot of use of battery. Okay, it fly with the flow of air. Okay, and whereas in multi-rotor it needs a battery because we are using a multiple number of motors and propellers. Okay, that is called as a multi-rotor. Okay, so we need a battery. Maximum time limits about 20 to 25 minutes. It is a maximum range of flying. Okay, and in single rotor it is very tedious to fly because there is a stability. The stability was minimum when compared to the multi-rotor. And hybrid is we are using a batteries, and we can able to use batteries and also a fuel also. This is a hybrid. Okay. These are the data flow diagram of drone by applying various sensors. These are some of the sensors we are using in drone. This the temperature, humidity, raindrop, light, radiation wind for climate control sensor and soil analysis sensor. And these are sensors which are used in motion control and crop analysis sensor. Okay. Next one is a camera type. Next we are going to see about the payload. Okay. Payload means we can use the camera. For agriculture drone we are using a tank, or by seed spreading we are using a what you can use in agriculture tank. There are different types of payloads we are using. Okay. For example, in drone, camera is the eyes of the farmer. Okay, with the powerful vision, supervision. Okay. Based on that only we can able to monitor the crops. Okay. This is a application drone in agriculture with what are the major applications we are using in agriculture. Okay, drone spraying, growth monitoring, crop density, irrigation management, climate monitoring, irrigation temperature sensing, and vegetation spectral image, and crop disease detection, field mapping. These are the major applications of drone in the field of agriculture. And these are the limitations. I have stated some of the limitations before. These are the limitations of UAV in agriculture. First one is the limited flight time. As I said, there is a limitation in the flight time because of battery, and limited payload capacity. If we increase the payload means we must want to increase the battery capacity. Otherwise, the payload will increase means the flight time will decrease. Okay, and regulatory restriction. By regulatory restriction means we must want to get a proper license and proper permission from the authority to fly in the different zone, red, yellow, and green. Okay. High initial cost. The cost of the drone also very high. Now only emerging. That's only high. In future it will get low. Okay. And durability, airspace restrictions, like weather condition constraints. We must know the I will say the restrictions and data processing changes, skills and training required, reliability, and interference with existing components. These are some of the limitations, and these are the Indian drone startup. Some of the Indian drone startup in India. Actually, the DJ is a major company in drone, which is belongs to the China. So India banned the DJ and give the opportunity for the Indian businessman to start a new startup in drone. Okay. This one is a government scheme, DD scheme for drone. Agricultural drone subsidy will be given for the farmers. Okay. Okay. Drone farming is a drone concept. In Maharashtra, in sugarcane field, they have minimized the 70% of water for pesticide spray. Okay, and increased the yield of about 80%. Okay, it is a drone case study we have seen, and we are doing a crop pesticide calibration in our management sugars. We have sprayed about 1,500 acres for the farmers to advance the use of mechanization of drone. Okay. If you have any doubt, please you can feel free to ask. you are facing in the field of agriculture growth? Major challenge.
கொஞ்சம் எந்திரிச்சு சொல்லு.
Multispectral cameras. Moreover, we are using a multispectral camera for analyzing the crop health monitoring. Okay. Based on that only, I have now stated that multispectral is a main camera. We can able to differentiate by using the color variation. We can able to monitor the health of the crop, and we can able to identify the disease spreading by the use of the image itself. We can able to find the what is the disease spreaded in the crop in the field. Okay. And based on that, we can able to suggest the pesticide. ஆக்சுவலி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இனிஷியலாக நம்ம வந்து எப்படின்னா மேனுவலாக நம்மளே போய் நம்ம பை த ஹேண்ட் வந்து நம்ம வந்து பெஸ்டிசைட்லாம் நம்ம கிராப்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கணும். ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் அடுத்தோட மானிட்டைசேஷன் தான் வந்து மிஷின் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். நம்ம ஹேண்ட் ஸ்ப்ரேயர் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஹேண்ட் ஸ்ப்ரேயர் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம ஸ்ப்ரே பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட்